when a homeowner in Lebanon, New Hampshire, wanted to waterproof their basement. They hired the waterproofing experts at Matt Clark's Northern Basement Systems, with their unrivaled reputation for tackling basement waterproofing challenges. Northern Basement Systems was the clear choice for this project. Northern Basement Systems embarked on a mission to provide a comprehensive and tailored solution for this homeowner's basement waterproofing needs. The team's dedication to excellence shone through as they meticulously designed and installed a custom waterproofing system. The installation process was a testament to the skill and expertise of the Northern Basement Systems team. Every component of the custom waterproofing system was meticulously fitted and connected with precision, leaving no room for error. The advanced technology employed in the project, combined with the dedication of the team, ensured that every nook and cranny of the basement was treated to repel moisture effectively. As the final pieces of the waterproofing system were put in place, it was a moment of transformation, turning what was once a damp and unwelcoming space into an area that could now be utilized and enjoyed without the constant worry of moisture intrusion. The joy and satisfaction of the homeowners were palpable. Their long-standing battle with a wet basement had finally come to an end, thanks to the exceptional work of Northern Basement Systems. Contact Matt Clark's Northern Basement Systems today for a free estimate on waterproofing and all things basementy.